Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. Hope you're enjoying this journey. Today is day 48 of our journey. Going strong as always, going healthier, going happier, and committed and focused. And I'm sure you guys are also sailing along with me along in this journey and seeing some results in your life and excited about your new future, and good present and amazing thing, guys. And as always, those who are listening for this video for the first time, watch out my previous videos and you will get to know what this is all about. So guys, today's topic is very simple but has long lasting impact. It's focus. It's a simple thing. If we focus, where do we put our focus, where do we put our attention, that get expanded. If you put focus on the problems, that get expands, but if you put that attention in solution, you will see the different aspect of that problem. So that's where we as a human have that power to put our attention where we need to put our attention, energy, and thoughts. So put your thoughts and energy in the way which makes feel you good, where you feel happy, not in the place which is not good and which give you where you never want to go. So it's like, guys, we all have friend circle. It's like how we want our friends to look alike, how who we want in our inner circle to look alike, and that's what it is all about, guys. If It's the choice you make. It's the choice, okay, whether I'm putting my attention here or whether I'm putting my attention there. But it's your choice. You are the decision. You have that capability. You have that strength. You have that power. So put that power, energy in the right direction, and you will see the results. Many times we just get focused upon the wrong side of the things and we are just continuously working on that, rather than if we divert our attention and put on the other side of it, you will see good results. And that's where the power of this universe, that's where the power of this energy comes into play. So guys, it's very important where you are putting your flashlight or where you're putting your focus. It's like people on the stage. You're having so many actors when you go on a play, but the person with a flashlight speaks and other are just keeping quiet. It's the same thing, guys. If you have that power of flashlight, so put that flashlight where you want to see the results, where you want to see the where you feel good about it, and see the results coming to you guys so fast. So it's all about what is going along and how you're moving along with that way, and putting your focus, attention, and energy in that piece. Guys, I know that sometimes it's become a little tough, I would say, but if you keep it doing it, if you keep on doing it, it's matter of time, it's a matter of habit. No one knew how to do the brush, but once you learn to do the brush, you are now expert in doing the brush. No one learned how to walk, but no one knew how to walk when we were newborn. We didn't knew how to walk, but once we start learning to crawl and to walk today, you never think how to walk. That's the beauty of it. It's like a skill. If you learn, keep on doing it consistently, continuously, it will become your habit. And put in some good habits in you, and guys, you will have a positive results. So on that note, guys, this is for today. I hope, as always, you always like these videos, you always liking what I'm sharing across. You guys are extended family to me now, and your love and support is always welcome, and really thankful to all the people who are sharing their support and love. And keep rocking, keep moving, and that's the mantra, guys. And have that trust and faith in Almighty. Everything will come good to you. So till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.